I got this massage chair for free from someone who gave it away. It's not a massage chair, it's like a seat. You put it on your chair and it will massage you. There are rotating balls here or whatever, and there's a vibration on the top, not on the bottom, and also it heats up. This is the controller. Yeah, they gave it away because it's faulty, and the fault is one of the rotating things skips bad gears maybe. Let me show you. Plug it in, turn it on. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, let me turn the light off so I can see the LED lights. Yeah, you can see the LED lights. One of the, yeah, this one is good. This one skips, so when you put your back, it will stop. And now it's just doing a demo, so let's stick to one mode. Let's see, mode. Yeah, so this one skips, this one is okay. So that's the issue. If it's a broken gears, I don't think I can fix it. So I will take it apart and see if we can. Now it's vibrating. Turn the vibration off. Anyways, I had a few of these before, and the thing I like about them is they have 24-volt power supply, which is very handy. This one is 2.5 amps, 24 volts. Yeah, so I picked it up for the power supply. Some of them have vibrating motors on the seat here, on this bottom. This one has it on the top. It's in a good condition, from the outside at least. So let's take it apart and see if we can fix it or just scrap it. There we go. That's the inside. Turn it on to show you how it works. There's one motor here and one motor here. That's supposed to be heat, but it's just LEDs. They always have this claiming that it's heating, but it's nothing, just red LED, that's it. Come on, start. It's just so this one that skips. This one is good. So probably I will just take it apart and scrap it. These springs for a sensor. Nothing happening. So it sensed that. Let's see. Yeah, we tricked it. So now it will think that it reached the bottom and starts rolling up. See? If we bridge these two springs, it will go down. Anyways, probably I will scrap it. See you in a bit. That's the vibrating motor. .24 volts DC motors. Nice. Okay, I take my words back. I said the heating is just an LED, red LEDs, but they are lamps, so halogen lamps, so they will give some heat. But I've seen some of these massagers with just LEDs, and they claim that it's heating. And under these pads, there's some circuit with LEDs, I think. There's some gel here. And that's it, the teardown is finished. We have two 24 volts DC motors, and that's pretty much everything. And this is the vibrating motor. And this is the control board. We have an AC, MOSFETs, most likely, and other SMDs. Thank you for watching.